एक्झॅक्टली अशें जालें कितें की नाव सिनियर पर्सन सिनियर काँग्रेस लीडर लायक फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिना हॅज ओपनली सेट गिरीशान पार्टी पेजेक लायली.
I don't want to comment anything because it's the internal matter of party. And Mr. Sardin is a very senior leader of the Congress party. So it's an internal matter, so I don't want to make any statement on him. And I don't want to waste my time and energy on attacking my or criticizing my party colleague. Instead of that, I'm more busy in exposing what wrong BJP is doing. I will put my all energy and time, everything to expose BJP and to fight BJP.
एके सर
I will not even spend my 1 minute to criticize my own party man.
तुमी एके सायडीन इंटरनल मॅटर म्हणटा पूण इंटरनल मॅटर जाल्यार आउटसायड कशें उलयता तर देर मस्ट बी समथींग गोईंग ऑन रॉंग इन द पार्टी वे सिनियर लिडर्स पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट आर नॉट वॉकिंग ऑन द सेम ट्रॅक.
So it's internal matters of the party which I cannot discuss.
But have you at least tried to speak to Sardinia or something? Baba,
These
कितें exactly?
are internal matters. It's within the house. These matters cannot be made open to the public. And I've been with the party for a long time. And you might have seen that many people are attacking me, criticizing me. They may know their purpose of doing that. But I'm not the one who will waste my energy or give my time to criticize my own party man or my party colleague. Instead of that, same energy I will use to expose BJP or to fight with BJP.
But on one side you are trying to expose, bring up various issues. At the same time, तुमचे own party leaders are saying that he has to go, needs a change. हे कशें पळयता बिकॉज 7 म्हयन्यांनी इलेक्शन आसा.
It's a democratic party.
Yeah.
So every party man is having it's a freedom. So they are free to talk what is there.
Even the Naveli MLA Louisine Fowler recently said, I'm sad what is happening, what is going on in the Congress party. Ejeri, you don't want to comment?
See, these are the internal matters of the party. I and Mr. Faluro had already spoken on that issue, on the ZP issue, and that matter is over. And our discussion, deliberation will continue. Now we have already started preparing for our municipal elections. So why I should waste my time and energy on criticizing my senior leaders and my party men when I'm on my mission of exposing BJP's misdeeds?
But does it not send a wrong signal लोकांच्या फुड्यान बाबा घरान तेंचे कितें चलता आनी हेका लागून लोक कितें चिंता लोक मागीर म्हणटालो बाबा हेंच्या भितर सारकें ना वोट कित्याक हांकां मारपाचें तुमकां दिसना?
No, it's okay. But why I should? म्हाका कितें दिसता तें हांवें तुमकां
No, as a president, because president जेन्ना तुमकां कितें दिसता म्हणल्यार because you are a president of a Congress party where people keep a representative तुमचे विश्वास दवरता फाल्यां त्या लोकांक समज तो अशें दिसता जाल्यार लोक तुमकां कित्याक तुमच्या बरोबर रावतलो?
हांव म्हाका कितें दिसता तें हांवें तुका सांगलें जाल्यार म्हाका सोल्युशन मेळपाना.
करेक्ट.
सो हांवें ते म्हाजे पार्टीचे जे कलिग्स आसा लिडर आसात तांकां सांगल्यार ताका म्हाका सोल्युशन मेळटलें. तुमकां सांगलें जाल्यार सोल्युशना परस प्रॉब्लमूच चड जातली.
ओके.
सो वी एज अ काँग्रेसमॅन वी आर टॉट टू बी इन अ पार्टी डिसिप्लिन दॅट वॉट एवर वी फील वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट वी कॅन रेज इट ऑन द पार्टी फोरम वेन वी सीट टुगेदर वी डिस्कस दीस मॅटर्स.
ओके. 8 महिने उरले. 8 महिने हाऊ यू आर लुकिंग ॲट दिस असेंब्ली इलेक्शन्स? हाऊ इज युअर पार्टी गिअरिंग अप?
See, we have already started building the party cadre in the block level. We have already shortlisted the candidates almost in the 34 constituencies.
Almost candidate shortlisted.
We have already process is done. Our booth committees are being constituted, which the process had started long back. Right now the membership is going on and our cadre is busy in enrolling the members. Now we will be launching another program in another 3-4 days where we are trying to meet our old congressmen or forgotten congressmen. We will go in every assembly segment. I will tour all the constituencies. I will spend one full day in every constituency meeting our old congress. नीज जे congressmen आसा. सदांच म्हणटा आपूण निजाचो काँग्रेसमॅन अशें म्हणपी गोंयांत खूब लोक आसात.
आता ना निजाचे काँग्रेसमॅन
निजाचे काँग्रेसमॅन खूब आसात.
ना पण आता आहा ते पार्टीन आहा ते ना निजाचे थंय
पार्टी जे हांव कितें म्हणटा दोज हू हॅव फॉगटन
फॉगोट
पार्टी ताका दिसता की आमी इतले तेंपा आमी काँग्रेसी वोट मारला काँग्रेसी खातीर काम केलां पूण आमकां विसरल्याक आमकां पार्टी लिडरशीप विसरल्याक थंयचे लोकल विसरल्याक सो आमी आमची एनर्जी ऑलरेडी आसा ग्रावंडार ती चार्ज करपाक जाय. सो आमी सगळे लिडर आसात ते तांकां मेळपाक वयतले सगळे जे निजाचे काँग्रेसमॅन जे आसात तांकां मेळोन तांकां परत पार्टीक इनवॉल्व करून एक्टिवेट करून आमी पार्टीची एनर्जी आनी वाडोवपाक सोदता.
आनी एक विशय म्हणटा पळय तो तुमी म्हटला पळय तो 70 to 80% न्यू फेसीस सो हे 5 आमदार उरल्या पळय ते वयतले वो तितूनय न्यू फेसीस जातले.
70 to 80% जर घेतले जाल्यार कितले उरता 25 म्हणजे सगळे खूब जाण एकोमोडेट जातले.
सो ते 5 जातले एकोमोडेट.
त्याच्या परस मायज एकोमोडेट जातले.
तुम्ही यूथ म्हणटा म्हणून सांगता यूथ
70 to 80 यूथ अँड न्यू फेसीस म्हणा यूथ अँड न्यू फेसीस.
ओके सो
there's a meaning of youth and new faces.
Okay.
I've just not said youths. It's youth and new faces.
Okay.
I'm very
What do you
clear.
have to say about alliance? Like they have been saying that if you all want to defeat BJP, you need to get together everybody. It may be MGP, it may be Goa Forward, it may be other political parties. Are you ready with all these parties to come together? You will say all 40 Congress candidates.
See, right now our membership is going on in
Yeah.
all 40 constituencies. If I speak anything on alliance, now it will affect my cadre who is working on the ground.
Correct.
So now he is dedicatedly going to the people, enrolling them members in this hot climate. And when there is a network problem, still he is struggling. We're trying to meet people, enroll them. I don't want to demoralize my cadre at a block level by just talking about the alliance at this stage. It is premature to speak anything about alliance now. Right now we are in the block. We are working in the constituency.
But it won't be too late later if you talk about alliance and all.
We have lot of time for the elections. Right now we are greasing our machinery first. Thereafter High Command will take the decision because I have no power to discuss anything about the alliance, whether to go for alliance, not to go for alliance. Everything will be decided in consultation with our in charge.
And you don't want to say anything on Mr. Sardinia's comment. You said it's internal
No,
matter.
Sardina is our party leader, is a senior leader who is the member of parliament from South Goa. So he is my party colleague. We have been taught that culture that you don't criticize your own family member in public.
But how can he criticize then you?
See, that's what I'm saying. How I can fight with my own party man
So it's not a question
in
of asking
public
fighting.
when I have lot of issues against BJP to fight. So right now my enemy, bigger enemy, and my all energy, all our cadre is fighting against the BJP. So I don't want to spend even half a minute fighting with my own party man.
Sir, but
And that is not the culture that is taught to us by our party. Our party has taught us to respect your party man, respect their sentiments.
Sir,
Respecting.
but he is saying आपणाक पार्टीची चिंता आसा म्हणून आपण उलयला. चिंता आसा कित्याक तो म्हणटा की जो एमपीक बसलो थिंगा जिखोंक ना आनी खंय बसलो थिंगा जिखोंक फाल्यां शिरोड्या देखून बसल्यार थिंगा जिखतो ना म्हणटा तो. म्हणून म्हणटा आमची पार्टी म्हणटा पेजेक लायली पार्टी सारकी हाडली जाल्यार सगळें सारकें आसपाचें. आय एम कन्सर्न आयजूय प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतले जाल्यार.
I told you, no, I don't want to waste any time.
बट एटलीस्ट पार्टी समज सगळे एकठांय येतले जाल्यार डिस्कशन जावपाक जाय. तुमच्या भितर कितें जालां ओ पार्टी वील एट द रायट टायम.
When we meet, we will discuss all the party issues on party forum. I cannot discuss anything what I feel regarding my party colleagues or
Okay.
my party seniors in public.
Sir,
That is not our culture.
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन म्हणटा पळय म्युन्सिपालिटी इलेक्शनाचेर फाटीं देखून दे हॅव बीन क्रिटिसिझम सेइंग दॅट कितेंय जावं काँग्रेसान चड कडेन इट्स नॉट ऑन पार्टी लायन्स पूण कॅन्डिडेट्स आपणाचे पार्टी सपोर्टेड म्हणून देखून दाखोवंक ना. 5 म्युन्सिपालिटी येता सगळे कडेन तुमचे पार्टी सपोर्टेड कॅन्डिडेट्स पण आसतले वो हे फावटी ब्लँक वयतले.
See, we have left it to the local leadership. The local blocks, wherever are there, they are discussing, they are finalizing. Whatever support they want, we give them.
हां पण तुमी सांगला तांकां बाबा अशें असो यू फील दॅट सो एटलीस्ट पार्टी सपोर्टेड कॅन्डिडेट्स आसपाक जाय म्हणून सो दॅट अदर कॅन्डिडेट्स शूड नॉट हॅव अ चान्स.
No. They are fighting. Most of the wars they are fighting.
थँक्यू.
Thank you.